Hello, today we will guide you through how to schedule video in Meta Business Suite. To begin, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite through a search engine. Once you see the search results, select the Meta Business Suite option and log into your account. Make sure you're signing into the correct business account, since scheduling will only work if you have access to the page where you want the video to be published. After that, click Get Started. This will take you into the main Meta Business Suite workspace, where you can manage posts, content, and scheduling tools for your page. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create Post button. Click it to start building a new post. In some layouts, you may see another Create Post option appear again in the next panel or Composer window. If that happens, simply click Create Post once more to continue. Now it's time to add your video. Choose your video file and click to upload the one you want to schedule. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. It's a good idea to wait until the upload is fully complete before moving on, so you can avoid interruptions later in the process. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to finish creating your post. This is where you can review how the post will appear and complete any fields shown in the Composer. Take a moment to check everything carefully so your content is ready before you schedule it. When your post details are in place, scroll down until you see the scheduling section. Here, you'll find the option to set a date and time. Click into that area to begin choosing when you want the video to go live. Then click Schedule. Meta Business Suite may offer suggested times based on when your audience is most active, which can be helpful if you want better visibility. You can either use one of those recommended time slots or manually choose a future date and time that works best for your posting plan. Once you've selected the date and time, click Schedule again to confirm your settings. Finally, click Schedule one more time to finish scheduling the post. And that's it. Your video is now scheduled in Meta Business Suite and will publish automatically at the selected time. Before leaving the page, it can be helpful to quickly review the scheduled post details to make sure everything looks correct.